Hello everyone, I'm gonna review my CS50 project with the name network. First of all, I'm gonna show you the website when no user is logged in. So here's the link I'll post, login, and also the register. We can't see here any like options or edit option, so now I'm gonna log in by the admin. And now I choose to put the creating form on the top of the page. And if I logged in, I can write the new post, like for example, project 4. Click on a post and it's gonna appear at the top of the page because it's the recent one. Also, each post have the username, the content of the post, and date, like a day and a time, and also options like put a like or unlike or edit button. I'm gonna show you the profile for the admin. So here it's displays the number of followers the user has, as well as the number of people that user follows. Also, that displays all of the posts for the user in the reverse chronological order. Also gonna show you if I'm gonna go to the SAM profile, I can see here now button. That it depends on following or unfollowing SAM. It's gonna show me follow on or unfollow. So now I'm following. So it's on the following page. SAM is here. So if I'm gonna go to the SAM profile, click unfollow, showing you following page again. So now SAM is not here anymore. So I'm gonna follow SAM again. In the following link, we can see all the users post that that admin following. Also in the reverse chronological order. Also on my website, I have a pagination. Like after 10 posts at the bottom, I can see the button next, and also on the next page it's previous here. Also it's on following section here, like everything is reverse chronological order. Also here if I'm the one who is created the post, I can see the edit button. I can switch it to the project 5, for example, save changes, and without the loading page, it's gonna show me project 5, and even after loading, it stays project 5. Also, here is the like option. I can like this post. Also, without the loading, it's gonna show me. It's gonna change to the solid heart and increment the number by 1. After the loading, it's gonna stay same, and I can unlike this post. It switched to the regular heart and the 0, and after loading, it stays same. So thank you for watching. Bye.